Hello, today at Long Machine Tool Company we have for sale a YCM-SuperMax horizontal vertical milling machine. It has a 51 by 11 inch table with 39 inches of longitudinal travel and 11 inches of cross travel. It has 12 feeds, 5/8 to 27 inches per minute. It has a horizontal spindle nose of a number 40, and it has 9 spindle speeds, 85 to 1300, and the distance center line of the spindle to the table is 17¼ inches, 0 to 17¼ inches. The vertical spindle nose is also a number 40, and it is variable from 85 to 3800, and it has quill travel of 5.5. The distance to the table is 4 inches to 21 inches, and the distance from the column is 6 inches all the way out to 27 inches. And it also inclines only in one direction, front to back. It doesn't tilt left to right, and it'll go all the way up to 45 degrees. The ram travels 21 inches. That's the turret ram. The need travel, well, it doesn't say what it is. It's 17 inches. The motor, it is equipped with table rapid travels, knee rapid travels. It's got a manual, and you can see the short, small supply of number 40 milling machine tapers. There's 3 collets, chucks. There's a drill chuck. I don't know what that's some type of a special deal, I don't know. Then there's 2 end mill holders and a 1-inch face mill holder, and then a quick change that has a Jarno taper on it or a Jacobs taper for a drill chuck. It does have an extra drawbar there, but I think it goes to the horizontal spindle. And the rapid travels. Well, I'm going to run it, and let's hear it, and you can hear it run. You can hear the spindles run. Now on this one here, the vertical spindle, I have to manually turn the switch to reverse the spindle, which I think is kind of doggy, but not much I can do about that. I didn't design it. So we'll just run it and see what happens. There we started the horizontal spindle. Here we're going to make the table go up and down. It has a separate motor to drive the knee. You got table travel. You've got cross travel. And of course the knee. Is manual. It doesn't have power feed to the knee, but it does have rapid travels to the table. Change your table speed. It also affects your cross feeds. Let's see if we can change the spindle speed here. This is And it does have a stop here. It won't allow it to, as a switch, it won't allow this handle to go into rapid travel. Well, we can see this thing behind. Now the vertical spindle motor is 5 horsepower, so is the horizontal spindle. The table feed is 2 horsepower. The knee has a 1 horsepower motor. Floor space is 115 inches left to right and 77 inches front to back. Total height looks like it's going to be around 92. Looks like the weight is around 6,200 pounds. This machine came with a Fagor digital readout. And it's going to need a new digital readout system, and it's important you have it because the screws and the dials are calibrated in metric, so you'll have to have the digital readouts to read it in English or inch. Other than that, I think it's a great machine. I've done several jobs on it now, and it hasn't failed me yet. Again, this machine is for sale at Long Machine Tool Company in Ferris, Texas. Thank you.